Hi guys and welcome back. So today for writing, you're going to go to Google Classroom. You're going to click on classwork. You're going to scroll down and find Wednesday Writing Must Do. Remember, you have to do it. So to celebrate the season of kindness and Valentine's, I'm going to have y'all complete this Kindness Valentine's activity. So what you're going to do is you're going to click on the first one is just a picture. You're going to click on the second slide. You're going to think of someone that is a good friend to you. You're going to type their name here next to to, and then you're going to type your name next to from. Then you're going to complete the sentence then. You are kind. You are a kind friend because, then type and tell why they're a kind friend. On slide number 3, you're going to think of someone else. You're going to type their name. Then next to from, you're going to type your name. I am grateful for you because, and tell that person why you're grateful for them. Think of someone different than the same person you did on slide number 2. Slide number 4 is just a let's spread Valentine's cheer and kindness to our peers. I want you to think of another friend. You're going to type their name next to to, type your name next to from. You are a kind friend because, and tell them why you think they're a kind friend. On slide number 6, you're going to think of someone different. You're going to type their name next to, type yours next to from. I'm grateful for you because it could be your teacher, it could be your mom, dad, sister, brother, another friend, a cousin, a classmate, whomever. And tell them why you're grateful for them. So you're going to complete slide 2 and 3 and slide 5 and 6. And I want you to do a different person for each slide, okay? I hope y'all enjoy spreading kindness. And maybe you can even share the card with them for Valentine's Day. Okay, I hope y'all enjoy this activity. And don't forget to go back to Google Classroom and turn in your Wednesday writing assignment once you've completed it. Bye, guys.